Akakiiko akaba Uganda Human Rights Commission bebembirwe chairperson w'akakiiko aka Mariam Wangadya bija kumara esabiti omuli Fort Portal ahibara bene bahurikiza emanja ezitari zimwe na zimwe ez'abantu bari kwetomboitira
za emisango y'abantu eba tuletire ekitongole kitolera kandi kikamuzogayo bw'abantu emisango egiye kugamba ngo batirirwe tuyina abakuru umukuru w'ekitongole kya Human Rights Commission n'abakommissioners abandi baikalire akuliriza emisango eno echwamu already tutandikire
kurigirira hari Pauline Nansamba Mutumba uri commissioner uri kujunanizibwa okwetombuita okuchondoza hamwe na nishongaze by'amateka bine emanja 23 kandi hari ezo 13 nibija kuziha okuchwamu kwabo kwa muheru rumwe n'uruho kuja kweyongerayo okugira ngo batandike okuruhoza rero abandi mukaga no murundi rwabo gwo kubanza abandi bashatu nibija kubahurikiza na bwanyuma beyongereyo.
The session kicked off starting on Monday and will run for the rest of the week. And during this time, the tribunal will be handling 23 complaints. And of these 23 complaints, I think we were with us in the session when we had the decisions. 13 of these matters are for decision for ruling. 6 of these matters will be coming up for first hearing. 3 matters are continuing, and 1 matter is on defense. That means that
Arugambo n'abanyamakuru Pauline Nansamba Mutumba yagira ngo habe kitongore echa Uganda Human Rights Commission bine ekizibu echo kushanga ngo bine sente eziri kwemarira okugira ngo zibahwere ahakwasa gukora ahamanja ekiri kureta bashanga bine manja zo bwire buringwa.
But one of the key ones is the lack of adequate resources in order to host the sessions, the tribunal sessions, and that's why we are very thankful to Government of Uganda. Our budget has been improved quite a bit, specifically in complaints, investigations, and legal services, and that is now facilitating us to have more tribunal sessions. We also have a bit of a backlog from the period when we did not have a fully constituted tribunal. But that challenge is now being addressed.
Omwe ahabatuire okwetombwitwa kwe mu kakiiko ak'ebyobugabe bw'abantu yaragirwa ngo government mushashure sente zikwingana miliyoni 7 ahakibayeta okumukoma butari mu mateka okumare 2017 atakarebekireho mu koti kandi ogyamanyoka esa uturi yamureba owatuire orubanja rwe omukakiiko hari kwenda ngo abase kutungo buringaniza.
Tuyamureba was illegally fined for 17 days. He was never taken to court, and the requirement to report to police every week for 2 months in fulfillment of his bond conditions restricted him further. In consideration of all the above circumstances, we deem 7 million Uganda shillings adequate compensation to Tuyamureba Esau for violation of his right.
Akakiiko kahurira ngo Esau ogakwatwa akatibwaho emanja ezo bushuma obwabire omuri Fort Portal akabari omuri Namugoma kandi yije yatwarwa ahari Jinja Police Station nabwanyuma niko kutwarwa omuchome echa Fort Portal.
Once a person's liberty is restricted, other adjunct rights flowing therefrom are equally restricted. For example, the right to work, the right to freedom of association with others of one's choice, the right to procreate, etc. It is the reason the law imposes the burden on the authority depriving a person of his liberty to explain why this was necessary.
Abakakiiko bakaheruka kushitama omuri Fort Portal okwezi kwa 11 omwaka gwahwire aho babire bine manja eziri ku 18 makuru aga gashakwa Justin Nyakaisiki ahabwa Tayari West.